This is our 1992 Ford F-150 XLT. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around of the truck. Following that, there will be a second walk around where I'll show close-ups of the cosmetic blemishes, though there are very few of them. And then there'll be some clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the truck running. So this is actually a one-owner vehicle, purchased new in downtown Chicago by somebody who lived in the suburbs. Was kept there until this year. Older gentleman, finally time to sell. Truck is in absolutely phenomenal condition. By far and wide the nicest one of these we've seen. No shortage of bells and whistles. Car has had everything added. You see these little running boards on the side. It's got other corner lights. It's got a LOPRO bed cover that actually velcros and then latches down. Every add-on you could get. But the body is really nice and straight and dry. There's one tiny little door ding that you'll see later in the video, but it's even hard to see. No bubbling. The inside of the quarters and fender is just beautiful. Really good. We put a paint gauge on every panel. No filler to be found whatsoever. Thing has never been rusty. It did have one respray in the correct colors. Looks fantastic. The weather stripping is great throughout, not dry or cracked. The tires are from 2016. They're Hankooks. The glass is all clear and crack free. The steel looking wheels are chrome, no oxidation, no curb rash, nothing like that. A Eagle exhaust tip has been added. You can see all the chrome is really nice and mirror-like. Car drives great. Have absolutely no concern in flying in and driving home. It's an awesome highway cruiser. I'm sure you can hear just this little whistle in the background. It's just the AC belt. It's nothing. Oh, and speaking of AC, it does work. It's still R12. Has not been converted to R134. Now onto the cosmetic blemishes. Here you can see that one little door ding. It's on the driver door. Catch it at the right angle. And then, as we work our way around to the back, you can see on this surface here, a couple little markings, one scratch, one ding, and then the pattern that's on these polished add-ons is a little faded. Here's the one dent in the car. Right behind this little corner marker, you can see it there. Little ding, scuff. That's really it. Inside of the bed, really nice. No major scuffs or scratches. It's clean. A little dusty here in this video. Some good photos of it there in the listing. But again, that LOPRO cover that's on there, it kind of rolls back and it's velcroed down as well as latched. These are add-ons, the running boards, tiny bit of age, really nothing significant. And then the only spot of oxidation on any polished surface is just on this little corner marking. The driver armrest, you can see a marking there. Again, this is original Scarlet vinyl. Oh, I'm sorry, cloth, not vinyl. Carpeting is really nice, as are the sills. Super clean. Carpet we so often see, discoloring and fraying. Now this looks really good. Dash top is mint. Little cassette rack up top with the sun visors. You can see a compass has been added. There is one little tiny screw going into the black plastic. Truck has just over 100,000 miles on it. It's 102. Radio tape player is functional, sounds great. Heat, fan, and air, all good. There is a little outlet plug-in under the dash as well. Truck will also come with the red original rubber floor mats. You can see the cloth interior is pretty impressive. Some wear on the outside of the driver's seat bottom. You can see it graying there, just kind of getting thin. But no punctures, burst seams, headliner's nice and tight. Passenger door, really nice. Power locks, power windows. dash very clean.